Okay, so now we have to prepare some of the ingredients that are going to go into the kimbap roll. The first being our trusty spinach, which we're going to dump into some hot water and wilt it. I'm going to push it down with a spoon because I've already boiled it. It's nice and hot. I don't want to overcook the spinach. I don't want it to fall apart. It's going to have a nice texture inside our roll. So that's just about wilted enough. I'll give it a couple more seconds. Then I'm going to pick up this hot pot and I'm going to drain it into a colander into the sink. I'm going to give it a stop bath of cold water. Oh, that was nice. Whoops. Don't do that at home. And then we're going to drain out as much of the moisture as we can from the spinach. And it's easiest achieved by just taking it in your hands, because spinach shrinks down so much, and squeezing it. Just continue squeezing it, clasping your hands together, so you get this little spinach patty. And put it in your bowl.